So, part 4, Mochi taba. I'm still wearing my pajamas. It's 1:19. Same pants, same socks. I just kind of right here. Take the mochi out of the water. I need it. You have to add some new water without soap. So we got our towel. At this point, I'm just gonna give up. Squishy out. It's not sticky because I didn't dry it. It's not sticky because I didn't dry it. My sister's making cookie dough. Where'd it go? Oh. It's really warm. I'm super surprised. I didn't think this would actually work. And if you don't want to do it this hard way, you could just put hand sanitizer on it, and then like go like this, and then it's already sticky. But I like to do it this way. If you just put it like on cardboard or something and just do this, it's just really satisfying. I just like it. I'm gonna get a bag to super past the ball toss. The ball test. Sugar.
It was already used before. I had half tablespoon. Rarely had it anyway.
Okay, so last time I put it in squishy and properly, but I'm not gonna do it this time because we have less than this. So So it did not pass the bag test, but it's okay. I just like it. I'm not gonna put it in its bag because I can't feel the stickiness. So I'm just gonna leave it out, and maybe soon I'll make a fidget board. Bye.